Do you struggle with drawing the head? Or do you only draw one specific angle because that's the only angle that you know how to draw? Well, you don't have to anymore. Hi, I'm Marvin Te, and I'm an animator and creative director based in the Philippines, and I've been in this industry for about 9 years now. And in this class, I will teach you how to draw the head in any angle. Just a disclaimer, I'm not an expert in figure drawing, but I think that would be a good thing because I could teach it from the perspective of someone who doesn't used to understand the concepts and through hard work just eventually got it. And if you're like me, but the me at the beginning of my career, then I think I know why you struggle with drawing the head. And I think I know why your drawing looks a bit flat. Because trust me, I have been there. So in this class, we will start with the basics of perspective, but nothing too complicated. We're gonna start with the cube, and I'm gonna teach you methods on how to draw the cube in different angles. And from there, we would progress to more complex shapes until we would reach the basic head structure. And then we would add basic facial features like the eyes, nose, mouth, and hair. And lastly, I will teach you how to stylize the character from the basic head structure and the different styles that you could apply to the facial features. By the end of this class, you will learn how to draw the head in any angle. This is the kind of class that I honestly would want to exist at the beginning of my career. And here I am teaching it to you. So, shall we get started?